I want to give you a quick rundown of my data acquisition box. I'm going on a big job this weekend. Hopefully I can tell you about it later, but until then I want to show you how I'm planning for this. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm bringing in all the data from 5 cameras that are rolling all weekend long. And this is how I'm going to do it. Number one, up here I have an old school Powerbook. And the reason I use the old school Powerbook is its PCM CIA slot is essentially a P2 slot. So if you have any of these guys, little P2 cards, you can actually stick that right in the side of the Powerbook, hook up a FireWire 800 drive, and suck the data across. And that, by the way, is actually faster than using this. This is one of these single slot Panasonic P2 card readers. Let's see if I can get this out one-handed here. One of these guys, I can actually take the data through the Powerbook faster than through this thing. So old school wins again. So the Powerbook has a power supply, and it's right there. I have some data wallets, these little Pelican, data card wallets for that stuff. Got a bunch of cards there. I have some white tape and some gaff tape and your knife so you can cut stuff. What do I got here? Hard drives. Oh, and there's my broken foot. Hard drives. I have a 500 gig RAID, and each one of these guys is another 500 gigs. I think that's going to get me through the weekend. I got a layer of batteries here. I'm not the sole supplier of batteries. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I need to bring batteries, but I'm bringing a few just in case, we're in a bind. And then down below, I have some CF card readers, and I have 4 of those. I'm planning on using 2, and I got a couple of backups. So, unless of course the entire SanDisk line goes dead. This is really my real secret here. This is Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet cables, Cat6, and a gigabit hub. And so what I do is I set up all the computers on a quick network so I can share data between the drives. And I actually have a tutorial all about that. You should take a look at it if you're curious. And in here I got some, Canon 5D cables like, USB and HDMI cables. Don't think we'll need those. I have a whole bunch of FireWire 800 cables in there. I got this little guy. This is kind of cool, actually. Little power strip by Belkin. And it also has USB on it. So you can like charge your phone, in a pinch. So that's it. That's pretty much my my kit. It fits in a Pelican 1510, which also allows you to close that thing up and send it out on a plane in the overhead. So that's my kit. Hopefully I get to tell you about the job later.